Hello everyone. Let's get started with how to create a PayPal account in Ghana. So first of all, enter the address paypal.com/ke. We are using Kenya because Ghana is not supported and we cannot use Ghana as a country to sign up PayPal. So when you come here, click on sign up. After click on sign up, click on business account and then click on continue. Here you enter your valid email address. Everything you are going to enter should be valid because PayPal, when you are not fortunate and they limit your account, then they will require all the information you provided in your account. So enter your valid email address and you need to confirm this email address. So my email address is this. So move to the next stage. So the next stage, you enter your password first, and I want to enter my password. Re-enter your password. You enter your first name and your last name. Enter your business name. You can choose your initials to enter your business name. Let's say my business name is this. Here, when you get here, scroll down and then choose Ghana. Okay. Choose Ghana and enter your remaining phone number. So let's say my remaining phone number is, let's say 248 33 9617. Then enter your business address line. Okay. Let's say my business address line is this. You copy. You can find this on your billing address. If you pay a light bill, you can find it on your light bill address. So we enter. This is optional, so don't enter. Enter your town. Let's say I'm living in Takwa. Then your province. This is also not really important. Enter your postal code. Your postal code should be 00233. Then the amount should be in US dollars. Then you click on agree and continue. Okay. So you enter this verification code GG6FL2TP. Continue. Okay, so when you get here, just enter, tell something about your business. So enter individual business. Then what is the best category that describes your business? Okay, you can choose to say non-profit. Let's say non-profit business. Then you choose a subcategory. You can say personal, your business URL, if possible. Leave this one. Then your nationality, you can choose, let's maintain the Kenya. Then you enter your document. Let's say we are using voters ID. Okay, so just choose national ID and then enter your national ID address. Assuming this is my national ID address, I'll copy and then enter. Then your date of birth, day, let's say 09, and the month should be, let's say 09, and the year should be, let's say 1980. Okay, so you click on submit. Okay, so PayPal will send an email address to your, PayPal will send a message to your email address to confirm. So he said, please confirm your email address to activate your account. If you don't confirm your email address, your account will not be activated. So make sure you provide a valid email address and then continue to verify. Okay, so let's continue and set up our payments. After verification, then you continue. Okay, when you are done with this one, the moment you come here, click here. Here you see you have two pendings. Okay, you have to set up you have to link and confirm your debit or credit card. So after verifying your email address, the next step is come here, you come and click on profile. You see this sign here. Okay, you click on it and then you click on link and confirm your credit or debit card. That's after you have confirmed your email address. Then you do this the next stage. So you link and confirm your debit or credit address. Okay, so when you come here, you have to choose whatever type of card you are using, whether you are using MasterCard or Visa card. But in our case, let's say we are using MasterCard. You enter the number on the the Visa card. This one is a 16 number. Okay, so we just enter the 16 number. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now this can be found at the back of your card. Okay, this can be found at the back of your card. If you have UBA card, you can find it there. Then you enter the expiry date on the card. You enter the day the card is going to expire, and you enter the month here, the month in which the card is going to expire, and then you enter the year. Okay, and if you look at the back, if you look at the front of the card, you will see 3 numbers. Okay, you see 3 numbers. These are called the card verification number. So we enter those 3 numbers here, and you click on continue. If you click on continue, PayPal will send you some code. Okay, they will send you some code to your email address or your phone number, and the code looks like this. This is the code you get from PayPal. Okay, so if you get this code, just come and copy the numbers only. Copy the numbers in the code only. So you copy these 4 numbers. The code usually comes in 4. The numbers are 4. You will see PP, and you see the star and 4 numbers together with the code. Just copy only the 4 numbers. After you copy the numbers, you come back to this place again. If you come back to this place again, you just click link and confirm debit or credit card. So you click it again, and then you enter such 4 numbers. After you enter the 4 numbers, your account is already verified, and you can use PayPal to purchase whatever you want to do online, and then you can do any transaction with PayPal. So what I want you to do is make sure everything you are doing is valid. Provide your valid name, provide your valid address or business address. Your business address even doesn't matter. You can use your user name, or you can use any other business name you want. But the billing address, your name, and the card are very important. Make sure what you provide are already correct. And when PayPal limits your account, you can provide them and then verify your account. Okay. So this is the simple process on how to create a verified PayPal account. Okay. Thank you very much.